Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about most important Java interview program called Write a Java 8 program to convert a list of employees objects into a map using employee ID as the key in Java. So I have a list of objects are there. I want to convert to map. So in map how we are fetching the value by using key, right? So let's see here. So assume like it is a employee id. This is the employee id e101 e102. So in the employee object it is a key, it is a one field, right? So by using employee id we are retrieving the entire employee object. So post list like this, see list like this, list of records are there. I am added two records: new employee, employee ID, name, salary, date, date of join, right? So this list I want to convert into map. Map contains key and value, key and value. By using key we need to fetch the value here. By using employee ID I am fetching the employee object, right? Understand, right? So this is the list we are converting into map. Map contains key value. By using the key, we are fetching the value. Is it understand, right? So this is not a sketch video. It is continuation video of Java program playlist. I will add this program in this Java programs playlist and scroll up. So one Stream API playlist also there. See here. Here also I will add. I will provide both playlist link in description of this video. So let's get started development. Right? First we will create one employee DTO. New new class. New class employee, suppose employee DTO. Finish. So let's add a few fields like employee ID. Private. Let's take string as a ID type. Employee ID. Employee ID. Private string name. Private string. Salary is not a string. Let's change to double. So let's take proper types only. Don't use primitive types. It is recommended to use proper types. Private local date. So date of join. Control Shift O for imports. So Control Shift O for imports. Annotate with yet setter. Yeah, there is no lombok added. So let's generate setter getters manually. Right click source. So generate setter and getter. Select all. Generate. After that we need a toString source. Generate toString. Select all. Finish. We need a alr constructor. Right click source. Generate constructor fields. Select all. Generate. So select all. Control Shift F. This is a formatting. So right, if you have a like Lombok configured and available, you can use like at setter, at getter, at toString, at alr constructor. like these annotations, or you can also use at data and at all constructor. So after that, let's create a another test class. So as of now, we are created the DTO. Now I will create a test class. So like list to map, list to map employee example, employee example, finish. Let's summarize what we are doing in this video. Maximize the screen. What we are doing. So we are solving one problem, right? Program or problem. Write a Java 8, write a Java 8 program to convert a list of employees, list of employees objects into a map using employee ID as key in Java. So see, write a Java 8 program to convert a list of employees objects. List of employee objects available. We need to convert it to map using employee ID as key in Java. Map contains key value. By using the key, we are fetching the value, right? So let's start the development. Let's add a main method. So let's add a main method. Now we need to add some records, right? Listed of. Suppose we have a alar constructor. So let's utilize new new employee. So employee ID E101, name suppose Sam, salary double right 5000 dot zero. After that date, local date dot off method will be there. We need to pass year, month, day of month. Suppose he joined in 2022. So month right, suppose 08th month, 15th day, 15th day. Same another record. Let's take another record. So I'm adding three records. Employee 102, employee 103, employee 101, 102, 103. Suppose Shankar Kumar. Salary 6,000, salary 5,500. Date joined in 2023, 10th, 10th month, 20. Joined in 02, so date 24. Some dummy values I added. After that, let's we need to stream. We need to process individual records in list, right? These are the three records we need to process and we need to convert. So first let's store into this list into one variable like employee list. List employee DTO employee list equal to, right? This is the employee list. Now we have employee list dot stream, employee list dot stream dot. We need to collect, collect. It is expecting collector, collectors dot We need to convert map, right, to map. We need to convert to map. It is expecting function. So what is the map contains key value, right? What is the key? What is the value? Key employee DTO. I am using method reference. Method reference get employee ID. So yeah, need full object, right? For that we have a one class function dot identity. It will return same employee object. Same it will return function dot identity. Function dot identity it will return the same object. Which object we are processing, same object it will return identity. So employee dot stream collect as the to map. After that, so right, let's add semicolon. It is the end. See now it is become a map map of string comma employee DTO. DTO. Now employee it is the employee map. Employee map. Just I am changing like a pretty format kind of. So employee map. Let's print this. How to print? So employee map. Employee map dot. Let's take for each or entry set like that we can do for each. If we are using for each, we need to mention like key comma value. Oh, key comma value. Lambda expression. Lambda expression. Sy. System dot out dot println. So key plus some space kind of. Otherwise I find. So plus value. Remove this. That's it. So we have successfully developed this program. Write a Java 8 program to convert a list of employee objects into a map using employee ID as key in Java. So these are the list of employee objects were converted employee objects into map. So map contains key value, employee ID is a key, value is a each employee object is become a value. Control S. Now right click run as Java application. See, three records are there. See, this is the key. These are the three are the keys. These are the value. These are the value. Value is printing like a employee object. So it is printing like a employee object. Right? Suppose let's try to get one particular object. So for that system dot out dot println. Suppose so employee map dot get object key. We need to pass the key, right? So suppose first one E 101 E 101. So for differentiate I'm adding one space, control S, right click, run as Java application. See, so we are getting single employee object, right? By using what key, right? by using key. By using key, we are getting the entire employee object. So in this video, we are successfully developed this program. It is very important in Java interviews. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.